Hello guys, how are you? I hope you all are doing great. Guys, as you all know, there are four things is very important for learning spoken English. That one is listening, second is writing, and third is speaking, fourth is reading. These four things are very important. So, in this video, you have to listen carefully whatever I am saying to you. I am going to tell you a story, just you have to listen. Actually, there was a very successful businessman. He had a son. His son was very lazy. He didn't do anything. He always said to his father, Dad, you have a lot of money and I am kid right now. So I didn't need to do anything. But his father tried to make him understand. One day he said to his son, the businessman said to his son, if you want to get dinner this evening, you will have to earn money. You will have to work. By listening this voice, by listening his father's words, the boy was very shocked. What is my father doing say? And he went to his mother and he explained all the matter to his mother. His mother gave him one gold coin and he went to his father and he gave his father that gold coin. But his father understood everything. He knew this money is not earned by him. And he said to his son, take this money and throw it into the well in courtyard. The boy, without thinking a second, he threw the money into the well. Next morning, when the boy woke up, his father reminded him everything, and his father sent his wife to his parents' house. This time the boy thought, and he went to his grandfather. His grandfather gave him one gold coin. Then he went to his father and take one gold coin, gave one gold coin and said, take this money and I will have dinner. As usual, his father said to him, take this money and throw it into the well. Boy didn't think a second. He threw the money into the well. Next morning, his father went to his father, it means grandfather, and said to him, "You don't need to do, you don't need to do money to my son." And he explained all the matter. So, grandfather went outside next morning. Now, the boy hadn't any option by earning money. So he thought, what will I do? My mother went her parents' house and my grandfather went outside. What will I do? Who gave me money? So he went outside for finding job, or finally he find a job. A shopkeeper. The job is that the shopkeeper said to him, if you want to earn 10 rupees, if you want to take 10 rupees, we'll have to carry this heavy trunk into my house, to my house. So the boy agreed because he don't have any option, and he carried that heavy trunk to shopkeeper's house for earning only 10 rupees. And by and while carrying this heavy trunk, the boy drenched in sweat, and his feet was hurting. In the evening, he came back home and he went to his father and gave him money, 10 rupees. As usual, his father said to his son, "Take this money and throw it into the well." But this time, the boy didn't do anything earlier. He said to his father, "Dad, for earning this money, I do hard work. I did hard work and my feet was hurting. My back was aching for earning this money. And you are saying to me for throwing this money?" His father smiled and said, "When you get money through your father, through you, with your mother, with your grandfather, you didn't think anything for throwing the money. But when you earn money by your own efforts, your own hard work, you are thinking a lot. You are thinking a lot." His son smiled and said, "Thanked for learning this lesson. I understood everything, the value of hard work." So there are many girls and sons. There are many girls and boys who spent a lot of money when his father earned, his mother earned, but their mother earned, their father earned. But when I realized the value of hard work, the value of money, when I earned money by your own efforts, by your, by her, by he, their own efforts, by their own hard work, when I realized. So, if you are 18 to 25 years old, I think you should be independent and you should do anything. You don't depend on your parents. When your parents will give you money, then you spend a lot of money and you buy good things. So, if you want to learn spoken English, you should practice every day. For speaking, this is very very important, and you can practice speaking in front of mirror, in front of mobile camera. But in the starting, you don't try to speak 5 minutes, 10 minutes. No, you just speak only 1 minute, 30 seconds. That is enough. 30 seconds you have to speak 1 week, and gradually you have to speak 1 minute, 2 minute. You can grow your time. So I hope you will understood this story. If you don't understand one times, you can watch video many times for for understanding whatever I am saying to you. So that's all. See you in the next video. And as you know, if you want to learn spoken English, listening is very very important and reading is very very important. Then many student I am saying to say to me, "Ma'am, what I will speak in front of mirror, in front of mobile camera?" So you can speak everything, anything. You can speak a story, you can speak your daily routine. But in the beginners, who is beginners, and in the starting, you will not able to speak your whole your daily routine, because you are not able to for making sentences in English. So in the starting, you can speak small stories, like kids stories, kids English stories. So you can start English stories for speaking English. So that's all. See you in the next video. And if you want to learn spoken English, so subscribe this channel, because if you subscribe this channel, you will get my video every day. And don't forget to like this video. See you in the next video. Keep practicing, keep learning. Thanks for watching.